Welcome to this video on computer programming, focusing on the front end and back end. We will explore what defines each of these critical components. The front end is what the user sees and interacts with. It encompasses all visual elements, menus, and the interactive parts of a website or application. Think of it as the display and service area of a restaurant. Front-end development relies on three main components: HTML for the structural layer, CSS for the presentational layer, and JavaScript for the behavioral layer. The back-end works on the server side, handling the logic and data. When a client-side computer sends a request over the internet, the server-side computer processes it, often interacting with the back-end logic. Common back-end programming languages include Python, JavaScript, Node.js, Java, and Ruby. These languages are essential for building the server-side logic. A framework is a structure for building applications. It provides rules, tools, and pre-written code to speed up development, acting like a blueprint and toolkit. Examples include Django and Spring. A package manager is a tool for installing, updating, and managing libraries or frameworks. This allows developers to easily reuse code from others, such as, quote, pip for Python or NPM for JavaScript. To build a backend, you need programming, a framework, and a package manager. However, a crucial problem remains. How do you store the data? Databases are organized collections of data for easy storage, management, and retrieval. Relational databases like MySQL use SQL to store structured data in tables. NoSQL databases, such as MongoDB, store data in flexible ways like documents or graphs. They are best suited for big data, real-time applications, or unstructured data. In an application example, the front end communicates with the server via the internet, and the server interacts with the database. The key operations, known as CRUD, are create, read, update, and delete data. A request is an asking action from the client to the server, and a response is the server's answer. HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, PATCH, and DELETE define the client's desired action. In a request example, the front end sends a request over the internet to the server. The server processes the request, interacts with the database, and sends a response back. Responses are categorized by status codes. Success codes are 2XX, like 200 OK. Client errors are 4XX, such as 404 not found, and server errors are 5XX, like 500 internal server error. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is a set of rules allowing two software applications to communicate. Examples of API types include REST, SOAP, GraphQL, Open, and Partner APIs. Cloud computing uses the internet to access computing services instead of local hardware. The main service models are IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, offered by providers like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. The foundation of cloud computing rests on these three pillars: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. IaaS provides fundamental infrastructure like virtual machines. PaaS offers a platform for building and deploying apps. SaaS is ready-to-use software like Gmail or Dropbox. Virtual machines, or VMs, are used by the server to run the backend. A load balancer distributes requests across multiple VMs to manage traffic and ensure reliability. Microservices involve splitting an application into small, independent services, each with a specific function. This allows for dedicated modules, like a booking module or a payment module, to operate separately. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website.